We are at Princeville Plaza, Shop 35, Family Bridal Boutique. They are one of our close sponsors. Let me tell you something. Hurry up and come down because them always have sale. You're going to go in there and look for them. Follow me. At this mega user mad Iran.
Elegant, Dr. Grant.
She does look good.
I said it stay.
We're here with Diane Lewis, the owner of Family Bridal Boutique. It located at Princeville Plaza, shop number 35. Make sure you come check out the place and come see what I go on. But right now, I'm going to turn over to Diane because she's going to tell you what is going on up until December 31st. Diane.
Okay, so we have a 20% discount. And we do clothes for kids, like little girls, little boys clothes. We have wedding dresses, so we rent wedding dresses, we rent tuxedo, we do bridesmaid dresses, we do mother of the bride dresses, we do accessories, and we also do tuxedo, and we do not only just wedding stuff, we also do carry like party stuff and a few also stuff and stuff like that.
I overheard Diane talking to a customer. She was saying, you were saying something that you don't only offer the things that you just spoke about, but also funeral stuff.
Yes, we do. So we sell funeral supplies. We sell like body bags, we sell wreaths, and we sell like even the church truck, they call it the casket trolley, the one that they would put, and we stuff like that.
So Diane, the store is actually everybody's store.
Yes, for every little thing.
Because guess what? Like all me know, we like the nice bath and body work, body spray and lotion and all them things. And before me walk in, all of them me see. Watch her draw the bag. It's not a normal store. You want the nice things, them? Right at Princeville Plaza. Family Bridal Boutique. We shouldn't even say Family Bridal Boutique. The Family Everything Boutique. Number 35. Diane Lewis. Diane, anything you want to call her, she's right here. Just come check her out. Come check out the store. You can get your supplies. Anything you need.
Yeah, man. Family Bridal Boutique. High place, man. High place.
Next stop, Divine Spa. Right, so you go get your hand shawl, your face shawl, your foot shawl, your wax shawl, if one word name, so all kind of shawl. Just watch. So we reach Divine Spa. On the know.
Welcome.
On the know, so we're gonna go on with ourselves inside. Not true. So,
anyways, me, I go wax my arm, my leg, and
aye. You don't have to tell them say you go that wax everything. Come on, come. Hi, Jody. It's been years.
Yes.
And you guys have been moving.
Yes.
I know you're moving around.
Yeah.
Alright, so open the beauty divine spa. Right. Tell us about it.
Right, so as you said, we are known initially as a mobile spa. So we would go to our customers. But over the time, a lot of our customers said that, listen, I want when I come to the spa, I'm completely relaxed. I don't want to be at home and I still hear the children in the other room, and ice cream and a pass and dog them a back from next door. So we said, listen, it's time for us to find a location. We do massages, all sorts of massages. Our therapists are all trained, all certified. Myself trained, certified, and I'm a trained teacher. So everything we do here, we also train persons to do it. So we do massages, waxing, facial, skincare, makeup. We do mani-pedi.
There you have it. There you have it. We're coming from Open Beauty Divine Spa. See you on Sunday, Joe.
Yes.
And happy birthday when it comes.
Thank you.
We are here at our third and final spot. They're more than sponsors to us. They're family.
Here, so I want the food there. I just start my business boat. But oh, sorry, my bad. We're here at the Plush Lounge. Come, girl.
You have to stop it. Oh my God.
Home. I smell shrimp pasta.
About family behavior, you know, come at them place here and get high with it. No, up with it.
You can't stay there. Boy, yeah, back up here. Don't eat it. So look at this. You must be food here. Don't be a Shelly, aka Bubbles.
Marvin, as usual, the food
It's amazing. My belly,
food. We know your belly food.
We really appreciate and we're happy that you guys enjoy. What do you guys order?
Well, I ordered wings and mashed potato.
I wanted to change it up a little bit because every time I come here, I always enjoy the pasta. So I go ahead and order the wings and mashed potato. So let's say, chef, are you ever there? Keep him here.
We tried it and we're happy that you guys came. You guys enjoyed.
But look here, Marvin. I said all the things are going. All the renovation and tell me what is going on for Plush.
Alright, so basically what you're seeing here is we have always believed in VIP. So what we're doing is basically a VVIP setting where, so you guys know whenever you come, we'll have like your air-conditioned VIP here. You'll have your own mixologist, you'll have your own server, and of course we'll have an upgraded menu, the VIP, VVIP kind of menu kind of.
Hold on. So what is double V?
Very. Come here. Let me tell you this. It's want to come up on more. Want to make sure put more pints. Plush Lounge. Make sure someone come right here. So, cause the food not normal, the mixologist not normal, the service overall. From here walk up the step and come right, it not normal. Marvin, keep up the good work. Plush Lounge.
Previously on The Bartender.
Since we're here, let's talk facts. You never wanted Tiffany. 18 years ago, you said she didn't fit in your political plans. That she would be a distraction. Listen to me. She's my daughter, not yours.
Something going between your styles?
I don't appreciate you asking me about my personal life in that tone.
You're really serious about Goody, mother?
You never see her money engaged to her.
Yo, what?
You know, so me I cut at the end of the month, you know.
Shall I send for you?
So,
What about the position of health minister?
What do you think, Dr. Grant?
What do I do now?
You do nothing. Wait on my orders.
So you know what's Spain I got there? No movement see there, man.
Sheldon, where you there?
I'm up on the road, how?
Which part on the road?
So we will have a question for Prinny.
Yeah, man, is the lifestyle no more. All of the youth them used to still in a war with them dead out. But now you feel like you want some big hit man for than as them.
Prinny, me can't chat to you now.
Hello, is this Sheldon? I'm calling from KPH. I dialed the last number in Princess' phone. She has been in an accident.
Me not know you, but me hear about you. What you hear about me, my girl? Me hear say I'm a man, ex-woman.
Hey, I want to go on here.
Let me ask you something. Are you the one that's supervising me? Or is it the other way around? You think I don't see you? You think I don't see you in the office with the directors chatting and gallivanting? What are you saying to them about me?
Miss Ferguson, don't walk away from me.
I call me and I tell me a thing about a container.
Yeah.
So you just put them there, sir?
Yo, I saw my Chinese boy them left.
And no security no there?
No, brother. I don't usually use security. Because watch it. But in trouble.
I like this, you know.
The lion, you know.
As always.
You want to make my office see him today?
So badness you go. Let me see how bad that.
Wait a second. Get me an ambulance. Now!
Carlton, just stay awake, alright? Stay awake. Come on.
Talk to me. What?
What do you mean no escape? You have to find him. You have to find him. No!
Sorry I'm late.
Sorry. I'm not here. I'm going to the gas station on the place. Who is this? Shoulda mine.
A sugar who?
Sugar Marionette, a local legend in music. Like seriously? Are you planning for own your own radio station?
And who told you that I want to play a regular dancehall on my station? I thought we were getting a caterer.
We did get a caterer. We just decided to look up for some soup as appetizer.
Isn't that too much salt? And why are you using so much ground cabbage in the soup? Isn't this supposed to be something like broth? Guess I'm not eating an appetizer.
Oh, what? We are staying from this over. Because we can't believe you cut off. You will ball off here, my youth.
Leave him like
Alright.
Nice shiny. Finish?
Ladies, the soup is really nice, man. It's a good start to the meal. You guys out there yourself. Great job, great job. Excellent.
Actually, it was all Simone. You know I don't cook with that much salt.
Well, me never taste the excess salt night. It was just fine for me.
Well, it was a little saltish, but for the most part it tastes good, yeah.
Well, you can give me high blood pressure any day.
So boys, why did you choose to buy this house?
Well, the truth of the matter is, it was Carlton's idea. I'm just an investor in it.
And you think that's a wise investment?
Well, as a person in marketing, me think it's a very wise investment. Plus, the place of history and cultural significance.
You do know that marketing and real estate are two different areas, right?
She's aware of that, Michelle. And I can speak to the real estate part. This place is prime location. Plus it's central. And it was owned by one of Jamaica's most outstanding musical artists and also a great humanitarian.
Yes, you have told me about this sugar person. Tell me about it.
Well, Sugar Miner started a non-profit organization called Youthman Promotion, and that was catering to the less fortunate youths who had musical talent, real talent. I think it was a good initiative on his part because one of the things that did for the youth.
You know that all of this information can be found on the internet. You know, the new search engine called Google. You need to try it out. Plus, no one else will be celebrate. Much talking, man.
Yes. Yes. House opening. Without friends.
Michelle, Carlton and I decided that this opening would just be us alone, the immediate family. I'm a full-fledged politician now, and he's a big developer. And we just bought our second house together. There's a lot to celebrate, so let's just do that. Thank you, Simone.
everything?
Yeah, babe, I get everything. I get patty, I get ackee, I get bun, I get banana chips, but I get the breadfruit though.
Alright, safe travels and see you soon.
Okay, babe, see you soon.
Son. I need father. Everything alright? So I pray.
Hey, father, you know, say some back to school team I can blink about.
You know, sir, we gotta call a meeting in the community. Because here we go, I get some voucher for give it to all the little juvenile them on the ground. And your name did up on the list. So here more you do you know. Just spread the word for me, say, I have all the meeting later at the community center so I can go and distribute little book them when I get on them. You know what I mean?
I say, respect my father, well, you appreciate it, you know.
You know the chap. Do. Alright, drop back that zinc there, yeah?
Nah,
Dada! Oh, that quick!
Missed it one more. Yeah. Daddy. You know, so I just get a call, so mama wake up, bro.
What you say? She wake up out of the coma?
Yeah, dog. The hospital man go right now, no?
The simple thing that brother, I want to man come, you know.
Different thing. Good while I'm here from Big Boss. What am I doing?
Check him more while, man.
It's done ready yet? How much is the Doritos? Later I come back and come back with a candy. Yeah. Yes, sir. I come back up at the shop come line up. What time are you there? Alright, just start when you're ready. Bubbles? Wagwan. Where are you?
Is what? I can't come look for my friend again.
But to the amount of time when me invite you from a move and you're always busy.
But make some time. Worse, you send me that message, they go tell me say you get suspended from work.
No. Not even know say read the message there, cause not even say the tick turn blue.
I look at something there from my phone, you know. Because I don't want everybody system read their message or know when I'm online.
So you have to live your life like an undercover agent all the time?
Force a habit 5. So when I go inside?
In the messy man.
Ah, you said that to say? You're going like it's a man you try to impress. 5. You're gonna make me come inside? Or you're gonna make me stand up outside and say the sonat?
Alright, we can go in.
This is why you get permission? You have a little man inside there, hide.
Here you go, man.
Come hurry up and open the gate.
Minister!
I never mean to do it in a bubbles.
What do you mean box?
I just reflex action. She grab my shoulder, I'ma spin.
Ray, you got a bad girl. Big up yourself. Don't take no foolishness from nobody.
What you talk about, Bubbles? And damn, let me get suspension, you know?
5. Let me explain something to you. She knows that she provoke you. Yes, if you get physical with a supervisor, it's a serious offense. Then would I maybe fire you and bring up charges for assault.
Not true.
So when you go back at work, be very nice. About that go on like you're remorseful. Because at them time they should go want to take advantage of you. Hold your head high and do your job.
Alright, if you say so.
5. It's obvious that you're an asset to the organization. She just push you too far. But you have to put on your foot sometimes, girl.
Thanks, Bubbles. I don't feel somebody again. You're a real friend, you know?
I know. I want to know my love, you know. And me would do any and everything to protect you.
You prove that enough time.
So, at the bedroom this. You know, see Shoppy?
About a week ago.
You go look for him?
No, we talk over the phone.
About what?
In here, oh, you sound like you're interrogating me. Something wrong?
Sorry. I never mean to make it sound that way there. Force a habit.
You go look for him?
About 3 days ago. But him never did it.
Maybe him up on the road and look into the shop to stack it up. Can me body him up and tell him say you for open it back.
Me too. Only open that.
Bubbles, you sure everything alright with the animal?
Yeah, man. You know me. I always want to make sure my nephew is on the right path, you know? I have a few assignments to do on the road, so I go boogie. But if you see him before me, give him this. The place look nice still. Later.
I'm still work in progress. Come walk again.
This nice scene?
Oh, that also me. That's how my sneakers were. I'll give me this one.
You going soft on me or what? Tell you, it's necessary. Not necessary. Let me jog your memory, Smith. Carlton's arrest was not a legitimate one. It's not on the books. So we can't even raise the alarm that the man escaped. We're both in trouble if him find us him is a free man. We have to find those who know his whereabouts and apply some pressure to them. Yes, sir. Now hit the streets. I'll call you when I'm done here. Alright. Smith. It's a do or die this year. Find it. Don't know anything. Who give you permission to go to the prison, go take out Carlton and carry him to the hospital?
His ex-wife said that he wasn't well and she feared that he would have died in there.
And you believe her?
Yes! He suffered 3 broken ribs that was infected.
But there's a doctor at the ranch. Couldn't that doctor look at him?
Well, it's obvious no one was looking after him, Minister. He was in a bad state.
Maxine, me tell you to lay low. Me tell you the woman was thinking of pressing charges.
Well, she reached out to me. And there were some wrongs that I had to right, so I helped her.
And you choose to grow a conscience now. You have only made it worse.
According to who, Minister? I'm a doctor. And my primary function is to save lives. Okay? So I've done some things I'm not proud of. And I'd like to change that. If I'm able to.
Dr. Grant, Carlton Wallace is my brother. And he can be a very dangerous man.
Why are you worried though? Like you said, he's your brother. Unless...
Unless what? If the police get to him before I do, they may shoot first and ask questions after. I just want to make sure that I get to him first, that he gets a fair trial. And because of your interference, he's now on the run.
Well, sir, I'm afraid without urgent medical assistance, your brother won't make it.
And it will be on your shoulders, Maxine. So, you need to help us to find him before the authorities do. You understand?
I do.
Welcome back. For the past 3 days, you sleep like a pregnant woman.
So long my out.
Well, you're in and out of consciousness.
Over there.
So messy. That's all I need for now. Don't move, stay right yourself.
I feel like we broke a rib.
Well, you cracked 3.
Oh, you know how much?
Dr. Grant tell me.
Come on. Why link the woman there after what she do?
But I need somebody to help me. And she was the only person I could have think of.
And you trust she?
Well, if she don't want her license, they take away. Or she go to prison.
So, are you devise the plan? Are you mastermind the whole thing?
Well, me and Maxine, the ambulance, she have an ambulance link and she get the letter for me get you out of prison.
So the part from late Maxine night, I mean the ambulance supply could crash. How far idea that?
Fair idea. She did have to make you do that because that's the only way it now will look like is a setup thing. She have to make it look like it real.
Anything that on the news about the escape?
I don't see nothing so far.
Still can't believe you risk everything come take you to that place.
Desperation caused it. When I come look for you and see how them a deal with you, I did have to try to find a way to get you out. Plus, no night, I don't sleep good.
You know Marcus will come after you though.
I'm prepared for that.
Someone. You don't know Marcus. You probably have a man who watch your every move.
Carlton, me and Maxine, we have a plan. Plus, she leave a knapsack with medication. So I'm going to take care of her. So when I leave, she will come do the rest.
I don't know why I can't trust a woman, baby.
You didn't know Maxine before?
Me didn't know her, but never close.
Anyways, food in the fridge. I label the medication with the dosage you're supposed to get. So, if you need to get up, roll by your side and ease up. Don't twist your body.
So let me not need Maxine.
You can survive by yourself until tomorrow.
So I survived weeks in a prison with 3 crackers unattended. I'm sure I can manage by myself in a house with medication.
Alright then. Never leave now. Alright?
Simone. When am I going to see the baby?
Carlton, you will see the baby in due time. I don't want to put the baby through all of this.
Not in that picture?
proceed. I'll take care of yourself, yeah? Oh, my friend, she's here. So she'll come check by you from time to time. Okay?
Simone. Thanks.
Thanks again, yeah? Him up now. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave one of our asleep. I'm gonna tell him say you're out here. So if anything, yeah, cause us. Alright. More call you. Alright.
Ow! Yo, you know, if it's so rough, you know.
You not got doctor?
I'm not need to go to the doctor, you know, says there's a little flesh wound that.
Suppose you get infected, Winston.
That nah, go happen. That's why you clean it and change it for me.
Where you call me from?
What you mean?
When you get shot, where you call me from?
Never have nobody else to call me.
Oh, so want to miss slim thing where the day in the bed. You could call she. Never own a problem I deal with, you know. I know you come have me in your foolishness.
Foolishness?
Yes! Your foolishness! Because of your foolishness, I can't even face my friend. You leave from a shop operator to a thief. Or it reach right this way.
You really not gonna understand the one end of Denise.
You're right about that, you know. And I gotta understand. Everybody in the community look to the shop there for them little things. And look what you do. You lock it up, you go rob container.
You know, say in real life, shouldn't call you. Should have deal with this myself.
You realize the situation they put me in, huh? Bubbles knows how you involved. She have your bracelet and you know she not gonna let it go.
I'm sorry if you involved me in this and Denise. I know the relationship when you want auntie up. You see me? No one because I made that much.
I
That alone you talk about? Bubbles believe in you. She pay you ransom money to get you back. She stop you when you run up in an ambush with dandadas them. And me did it for all of them. And I saw you pay you back. Winston, you did a shoot off of your own auntie. You did realize that?
Never know say she.
And she never knows say you. You don't realize someone who could have dead.
What happened? I go up to a link and make sure say me, you know. Anything I anything, you see me? And thanks, yeah.
Winston, wait. Come to the place where you used to go. You used to go out country.
Link still there. What you suggest?
Go down and go cool out a little. Just say a little bit.
Five. You really want to stack and walk by the shop there, you know?
Ottawa. So the container you go for thief things put in the shop. So thieving goods you want. I better you listen to me, Hear what? Get somebody to run the shop, we'll oversee it, and in the meantime, I get one bracelet like this and put it in the house so bubbles can stop pulling you.
So you do all of that for me?
Not just for you, Winston, but for my friend too. I don't want because of this I can't face her.
Denise, I have a different level of love and respect for you, you know. You know that, don't you?
Winston, I think you didn't change. But disappointed in your body. And the last time this, me I go up on a lead for you. And you see after this, I don't even think we want to be friends with you. Hello? Yes, Mr. Saunders. Sorry, listen, I can explain. Okay. I understand.
What go on?
The board of directors just extend the suspension for 3 more weeks. After that, you will let me know if they're gonna fire me or not.
Cha-cha.
What about Miss Goody? You leave out early this morning, man.
Yeah, me have something urgent for go do.
Miss Goody, somebody called me this morning asking if you rent the space for like round robin and karaoke.
Round robin, you know, so I'm not too like the round robin something there. Feel like it draw the wrong crowd more time, you know.
So what about the karaoke?
Can't work with that.
Miss Goody, you know you can host your own karaoke and make some extra money.
We used to do karaoke, you know, but I'm not have no time for that right now. Give me a bucket of water.
How could I deal with it for you now, Miss Goody?
You, Melita, karaoke you have to excited, you know, you have to know how to build vibes.
Well, that's so like a job for plummy.
You know, like I've got something there.
No, I know, Miss Goody. For me, I'm an alter ego.
You're gonna make people think say you're mad, you know?
To tell you the truth, Miss Goody, you know, say, I did have low self-esteem and I did shy. But they say, from me give me the character there, I feel confident and free.
Well, if the plummy character make you feel confident and, you know, like a better version of yourself, then use it. Just please me, I beg you. Don't overdo it.
I'm not overdo it, Miss Goody. We can talk about the karaoke now?
Not no, Melita, one next time. The baby asleep?
Yeah, he must sleep. Oh, Miss Goody, you know, say DVD come here and ask for you, him saying you want to carry the baby on the road.
When you tell him, say?
I tell him no, you never tell me nothing like that.
Oh. Now, I can't bother with the boy, then I'm going to feel like saying mad.
Miss Goody, you hear about anything we going the other day, like anything we go down at the bar?
No, like what? Like a fight or something?
Not really.
What happened, Melita? You have somebody that fight?
Me, Miss Goody? Melita? No, Miss Goody. Plummy did a fight and never me.
Melita?
Yes, Miss Goody?
With the baby. But know you see me, I call it all long, you know. And you just feel like to answer the phone. Damien, you see, if you don't want me to have nothing, bring me picnic come now, you know.
But so we carry on, my son.
What? Virgin, something wrong with you? You take the baby out of the house while the baby is asleep. So I call police and tell them say you kidnap my picnic.
Someone almost kidnapped my own son. Look, man, you're here, madam, here.
Damien Burns, please may I beg you in the name of Jesus. Can my baby come give me?
Alright, someone, come carry me the bag of excitement now. Me and my son are going to stop and get some ice cream. You see me, you want some ice cream?
Hello? I'm lactose intolerant. Don't buy nothing for him. Just bring the baby come, please.
Someone me never take some I keep the last go and talk about last fat. You know what? I take one away with you.
Y'all have my baby for your DP. Them something. Damien, listen. Bring my baby come here.
So I can't put up my son for my DP. You know, see the youth fear for me. I'll feed them him up.
Damien.
I tell you Monday I'll smile, man.
Damien, please for bring my baby. Come. God, what am I ever doing in life? Why you punish me? Melita, give me a special day. Put one lip of rum in it.
Alright, Miss Goody.
What you do ya?
Young lady, they got a jug on it. Cool, please. Can talk to you privately.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Melita, wait a minute then, please.
Alright, Miss Goody.
Wow.
Most of me the last person in your office right now.
So what you do ya?
Let me get to the point. Carlton not serious, so. So if you hear from him, I know about him there. I beg you to tell me, please.
So, the puppet master send the puppet to come try find out from me where my baby father there. Well, Mr. Guard Dog, but me tell you this. My baby father may be dead by now. Can you see the condition when I go see me now when I go into the ambulance there? It never look good.
You know, so if not the police see him, I consider him dangerous.
and take him down, right?
And that would make your boss feel good, not true?
I believe it or not, nobody. Help me, I try to help him, you know.
Help him. You, come here, son. Come take him away from his baby mother and carry him go lock him up. They not even know what his son look like. Them have him down there as beating stick. And none of them not even look upon him. And you want to come tell me, say, you help him?
It's good.
Now call my name in your mouth. I'm why you leave my place too. And tell your master, say, you see if anything happen to Carlton, in blood I go upon him and them. And you see him end, it will go very bitter.
Sorry, I say you feel still. I hope you change your mind.
You and Frodo can come kiss my ass. You think say if me know where Carlton them make none I wanna know? And he's a bigger fool than me think. Leave the place.
Pick up yourself. It's Goody.
So she's there.
She weak, you know?
She alright?
She look alright.
So you not talk to her? So you sound so, brother.
Doctor them say she have memory loss, yeah.
What you mean?
She don't remember me, brother.
So the doctor them must say? It's a permanent thing, fam? Not even know what if you say, no, brother. Know you check for the beat, fam.
Brother, feel responsible for this, you know. You know, long pretty I tell myself I left the lifestyle, bro.
Me say no, man, I don't want you to beat up yourself, no, brother. Because you don't know Princess know the thing, brother. She know the motion, but she know how to deal with the streets.
You know, say, big man thing. All I boy them made a pray me. After me knock away done, all of them dead off.
I know that, brother.
So that's why mama tell me, say, yo, you don't need to hide your face no more. Because all your enemy them jump out, just free up your face. So
brother, say for that you want, brother, do that no, fam. You know, so me 100% supportive in a fam. And if that's your decision, you know what I mean?
That's my prayer, bro.